How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join me at Silverstone here today for Japfest. Now I'm currently in the public car park. This is cars leaving Japfest. So let's just get straight into today's video. One of the very first cars we have is a 4-door R34. There is a police car driving past, but I am surprised there are a few people at the exit already. Oh, he's short shifted. Oh yes, we have the first Mark 1 MX-5 with the square lights. Turboed as well, I heard the turbo. Oh, the police car is coming back past. Where is he gonna go? He's just driving about, to be fair, seeing what's happening. Nowadays. I see a Mark 1 MX-5 leaving, all I could see was the pop-ups. I also see a Mark 4 Supra, but we have the Mark 1 driving past with a Micra. Looks like his splitter is slightly falling off. Now this is what we all want to see, the 2J noises. He short shifted, no! We now have another one creeping past slowly. Yes, we're getting some pop-ups. That isn't a Mark 1 MX-5. That bike's electric. Civic needs to be very careful because unmarked have just gone in there. Civic driving past. Yeah, so a unmarked police car has just driven straight into this car park somewhere. If we take a little walk around the corner, you see them parked up just there, being very sneaky. My mum used to have one of these cars. I've seen a modified one. Well, he was. There we go. Mark 1 MX-5 crew coming. There's three of them in a row right now. But first, we have an Evo driving past. MX-5 crew. None of them winked their headlights. I'm very disappointed, I have to say. What is that noise? It's coming from the front. First pink car we have seen. Look how low that is. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Is this a Laurel? I'm not quite sure. I couldn't see what it was. Oh, we have the first PS13. I absolutely love this shape of the S-bodies. My PS13's highly modified, looks so good. I do like the S14. Yeah, the PS13's so nice. Sound savage. You can see the intake on the headlight. Oh, that RXA looks nice in that colour. We've also got a Mark IV Supra further up the road with a GTR leaving. So they should be out very shortly. Yes, black bonnet, red colour, that looks really good. The first R34 leaving the show that we are filming. Sequential indicators. But the ducktail was definitely different. Just like the tucked video, we have the Mark IV Supra coming. This is a diesel. You can see the turbo out the bonnet. Now that is different. Leaving. So that leaves no police now. We've also got a track car in the back of the van here. Got the GT4. We got an EP3, we got a Mark I MX-5. They're all turboed, I swear. Every MX-5 is turboed nowadays. That Subaru was rapid. I'm telling you, PS13s are just pure art. Look at that. Even the back of them looks so good. Zenki S14 with a GI Yaris right behind. It's got launch control. They are currently putting down their traffic cones. I think they're also going to put temporary lights. So very soon we're going to head up to the grass verge just up there to film the cars exiting. Got the Integra, the S14. We do have the white R34. spare wheels on the back. He's been drifting on track. Oh, the R33 got sideways with another R33 behind. The Lexus LS400 looking VIP as, and he scraped. He actually scraped. Yeah, I think this is the whole reason why the traffic cones are going out, to stop people potentially standing on the roundabout. They're also going to have temporary traffic lights, but it's also to, you know, make sure the cars are actually in their lanes. So I think they usually end probably about here. We have just relocated